Hi, welcome back to Your Daily and today here we're going to see Maria play surf subs. And here we go. So we just
First we need to wait. It's gonna be really easy. So hi, my name is Maria. So I really love playing surf subs. And people, look, they have even comment down below sometimes. This is what always happens. But I'm ready, starting. If you want to go faster, you could just do this.
You have a... No way. That is cool.
Is that me too? I have cool moves here.
Yep, definitely. Can you see it, guys? It's just...
That's why people love to... Oh, that was close.
And I was like scared that you were going to lose.
Yeah, I was about to be scared. I don't care about that. You see, a train is coming. The train is coming.
It's going to get faster, right?
Mm-hmm. And look. Like my cool moves. Oh, that was close. You see, people comment down below.
Okay, that's going to be the end of the video. So, subscribe to my channel and write a comment down below. And if you see this in the next video, maybe we are going to, maybe we're going to play some Minecraft. Wait, I can play Minecraft.
Alright. Thanks for watching my video on this. Thanks for watching my video on this cartoon. Remember, comment down below on my channel.
It's mine!
I'm sorry. His channels, but if you want everything we do it for you. And I have this cool game for girls. You can even download it on the App Store. Bye. Toodles.